Hello everybody, today I'm doing a haul video. So basically what I got are more BTS albums. The first one I have is this one. I did get a version L. And I also got this one, which is... This is Love Yourself Tier. I totally forgot what concept this is, but I'll know when I look at the album. Let us take the albums out. So I have two here. So I'm just going to be opening my Answer album first because I already have one of these. So as you can see, it says the price here, it was $28.99. So obviously the album itself doesn't come with the poster now that you have this unfolded poster option. And you really can get whatever album you want. So that's nice if like you want to get the posters but you want to collect a particular album and not any other, I suppose. I'm so nervous. I wonder whose photo card I'll get. If you don't, I don't know. If you haven't watched my album set unboxing video, okay, check that video out to find out who I got. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh my god, I got V's photo card. It's so cute. That's a different one. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so there's that. Then there's the album survey, the stickers, and it just says 화양 연화 for the notes. I did go over the stuff in the album unboxing, so that's the Answer album. Then I have my Tier album. I don't own any copies of this, so I'm quite excited to open this. Just gonna take it out. I've done videos on this already, so there's this. Then there's this CD. Then of course we have the notes. Goes from white to gray and it says 화양 연화 again. I have not looked at this photo book yet, but I did do a video on the whole lyric book thing, so I'm not going to go through the lyric book this time. And of course we have the Sandy. Oh my god, I got a J-Hope photo card. This is my first J-Hope photo card. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's my first J-Hope photo card. Yes. So I only have two members now that I don't have any photo cards of. I don't have Suga or Jimin. I was really hoping for a Jimin photo card. Yeah, I normally get Jungkook, so I'm surprised I didn't get any of him this time. But yeah, I got J-Hope. So first, we have some hands. Oh my god, I love this photo. I really wanted version O, but they only have version Ys and Us. Oh my god, this is the way to show it. Yes. And look, it's J-Hope. Ah! Love it. I really like this concept actually. Then we have this angle. Oh my god. Yes. It's V. Looks like he's tearing up. And him again. It's Yoongi. It's Jungkook. Oh my god, I love this photo. I've seen this photo so many times now, but I'm really happy about having this in here. J-Hope. It's Jimin. Yes, so handsome. Jin. And this photo and this close-up of his eyes. Then we have RM. Seen this a bunch of times, right? Hello everybody, today I'm going to be opening another BTS Love Yourself tier album. So it's version Y for tier, of course. So I am just going to go ahead and open this. I may have cut it by accident. Oh well. I'm kind of low-key hoping for someone, but we'll see. So this album cover is different, as you can see. The poster is here. So here is basically the whole poster. Yeah, it's really nice. And Jungkook is in the middle. Really, really nice. Let me fold this back up. Here's the CD. That's a little bit different each time. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip through this album now. First one. We got a Jin photo card! Okay, I was not expecting to just take it out right now, but here's a photo card that I got. I might have to buy more because I really want a Jimin, because I have not gotten a single Jimin photo card. This is what Jin's photo card looks like. First, we have RM. It's Jin. I really like how saturated the colors are. Oh my god, it's Jimin. Then there's J-Hope. Oh my god, it's Jungkook. So handsome. Then we have Yoongi. It's B. Oh my god, I love this photo. These three handsome young men. Wait, it says, "What am I?" Innocent, guilty. Oh, whoops. Lost control. Oh my god, it's Jungkook and Jin. Oh my god, love them. Then, oh my god, look at this. It's the mini version of the poster in the book. So handsome. Wait, hold up. Are these the same? Oh, they're slightly different. And then there's that. So here's everything that I got for this Love Yourself tier version Y unboxing video. I just have version O left to complete the set, but I might still buy more albums to see if I can get a Jimin, because I have not gotten any Jimin photo cards. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Maybe there will be another unboxing video soon. Bye everyone!